Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Dynamic Groundwater Resource Assessment Report. First, let us see why is it in the news. The Union Minister of Jal Shakti recently released a Dynamic Groundwater Resource Assessment Report for the entire country for the year 2024. The assessment was carried out jointly by Central Groundwater Board and states or UTs. Let's discuss the key highlights of the report. As per the assessment, the total annual groundwater recharge in the country has been assessed as 446.90 billion cubic meter. Keeping an allocation for natural discharge, the annual extractable groundwater resource has been assessed as 406.19 billion cubic meter. Out of 6,746 assessment units, 73.4% are categorized as safe, 10.5% as semi-critical, 3.05% as critical, and 11.1% as overexploited. Additionally, 1.8% of units are categorized as saline. The report shows an increase in groundwater recharge mainly due to enhanced recharge from water bodies and conservation efforts. Furthermore, there has been an improvement in groundwater conditions in 128 units compared to 2023 and a reduction in the number of overexploited and critical units. Total annual groundwater recharge has increased substantially and extraction has declined in 2024 from 2017 assessment. Let's know the major causes of groundwater depletion in India. First, over-extraction of groundwater for irrigation. Irrigation accounts for around 80% of total water use in India, and much of this water is sourced from groundwater. As demand for food continues to grow, more and more groundwater is being extracted for irrigation, leading to depletion. Second, climate change. Rising temperatures and changing precipitation patterns can alter the recharge rates of groundwater aquifers, making them more vulnerable to depletion. Droughts, flash floods, and disrupted monsoon events are recent examples of climate change events. Third, poor water management. Inefficient use of water, leaky pipes, and inadequate infrastructure for capturing and storing rainwater can all contribute to groundwater depletion. Fourth, decrease in natural recharge. Deforestation can reduce natural groundwater recharge by causing soil erosion, which decreases the amount of water that can seep into the ground and replenish aquifers. Here are some government initiatives related to groundwater conservation. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain Campaign, Atal Bhujal Yojana, Aquifer Mapping and Management Program, and Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. Let's now talk about Central Groundwater Board. Central Groundwater Board is a subordinate office of the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India. It is the national apex agency entrusted with the responsibilities of providing scientific inputs for management, exploration, monitoring, assessment, augmentation and regulation of groundwater resources of the country. It was established in 1970. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Central Groundwater Board. 1. Central Groundwater Board is a subordinate office of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. 2. Recently, the Dynamic Groundwater Resource Assessment was carried out jointly by CGWB and states or UTs. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.